In this video, I will show you how to send money from Coinbase Wallet to Coinbase account. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can head over right here to our wallet. And then after that, click onto this swap option that we can see right here. Click on swap and click onto this add crypto to your wallet. And then just input right here the amount that you want. For example, you can just first choose the network. For example, let's choose right here Solana. And then once you have chosen your network, you can head over and then input the number of Solana that you want. For example, let's put in here 1,000 pesos. And you can click onto this pay with, and then you can pay with credit card, Gcash, debit, PayMaya, or anything from this list. So this list is actually customizable depending on your location. So from in there, you can pay with credit card using this one and click onto this continue to payment in order to transfer it from your Coinbase wallet to the Coinbase itself.